Warren Buffett said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. I don't agree with it because compound interest is the ninth wonder of the world. Then what is the eighth wonder? In my opinion, options are the eighth wonder of the world because we can use options as insurance, hedging, speculation, as a buyer of a lottery ticket, seller of a lottery ticket, for passive income generation, as arbitrage. The list goes on and on, right? Today, we will discuss four important tools which are required for options trading, and most of them are free. I also share my daily views about the market, important updates about the trading or investment, and some inspirational quotes on my WhatsApp channel. This is a free channel, so if you are interested, you can join my channel. The link is in the description. Now, we will explore these four fantastic tools. One such tool is Insta Fires. So this is how Insta Fires look like. But before explaining Insta Fires, I'll give just quick 1 or 2 minute explanation about open interest actually, because open interest always comes into the picture whenever you try to study options actually. So open interest is very simple. See, it looks like this. For example, if the this is a future chart, okay? So if the price is increasing and if the open interest is increasing, it is bullish. I hope this is clear. Now, if the price is falling and if the open interest is increasing, it is bearish, okay? If the price is falling, if the open interest is increasing, then it is more bearish. But if the price is going upside, but if the open interest is falling, okay, this is not exactly bullish, okay, it's called as short covering. You can mention or you can consider it as a sideways to bullish view. If the price is going upside, if the open interest is falling, then it is not exactly bullish, okay, it is, you can maintain sideways to bullish view, it's called as short covering. Now, if the price is falling, but if the open interest is not going up, if it is going up, it is bearish. But if it is not going up, it's called as long unwinding. You can maintain sideways to bearish view because the price is the king. If the price is going down, you can consider, but the open interest is going down, so you can consider sideways to bearish view. So this is with respect to the futures, okay, futures and open interest. But when it comes to, this is very simple. If the price is going up, open interest is going up, it is bullish. If the price is going up, if the open interest is going down, then you can maintain sideways to bullish view. If the price is going down, if the open interest is going upside, you can maintain bearish view, very clear. If the price is going down, but the open interest is also going down, means you can maintain sideways to bearish view. So this is with respect to the futures. Now with options, it's very simple. If the call option Y is increasing, it is bearish because all the big players are selling call option to pocket the premium. So it means if the call option Y is increasing, then it is bearish. If the put option Y is increasing, it is bullish because all the big players are writing put option to pocket the premium. So these two things are very clear, right? Now we'll go back to this. So this is Fire's Insta option. I think this is the one of the most underrated, or most people don't aware of this, and they end up buying many software tools which comes with monthly fees, actually heavy fees. See, this combines the features of many tools actually. For example, now I'm in a strategy part. So by default in strategy, you can select any strategy like a bullish strategy, buy call, sell put, buy bull call, put, whatever it may be. And bearish, you can select anything. And neutral, you will get short triangle, short straddle, iron butterfly, iron condor. Suppose if you select iron condor, it gives the strike prices at the premium automatically. You can adjust accordingly, okay? So this is there, and you can also check the playoff simulation, the payoff scenario and the Greeks, everything. Default strategies, it gives everything. Now this is under strategy part. The beauty thing is you can also place orders from here itself, okay? It lists all the orders here. You can select any instrument, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and you can track all your orders here, and you can maintain everything. So you can also go with the historical mode, and you can get the data of any day, and you can assess the condition. That historical mode option is also here. Most of the softwares which comes with historical, they charge a premium actually. So this is for free if you have an Fires account actually. Now if you go to options data, it gives For example, the only annoying thing I noticed, it moves to the right side. So whenever every time I have to do this. So otherwise this is fine actually. Here it is giving for Nifty, Bank Nifty. I can select for Nifty because predominantly I trade in Nifty. So this is Nifty options chain. And here you can get open interest statistics as well. You see here, if you see, right now Nifty is around 22,100, 124. So 22,100 is the ATM option. So it gives the call Y, put Y. So call Y is 15.3, put Y is 33.2. So which means right now put Y is very high. Okay, see here, this is a very Kalwa is there, so which means big players are writing at 22,500. So overall, if you see cumulative, it says Kalwa is 15.43 here, Puto so which means right now Kalwa is little high. So this is all about OI statistics. Similarly, you can go for trending OI. So trending OI, what happens is this is a trending sentiment and this is a open interest actually. See here in this case, this is at the money call option, put option, how it is going. Okay, it plots both the call option and put option like this. Here this is price with the sentiment. Okay, it shows the sentiment, and this orange color, yellow color line shows the price actually. Okay, and here you can change the time frame as well. You can go for 50-minute. See, this is very smooth actually compared to the 3-minute part. You can also select the expiry. So this is 6th expiry. You can also select 13th expiry, and you can see what's happening. You can also see here PCR ratio. Some people use PCR, so they can see PCR here. You can also get options chart here, call OI analysis, put OI analysis. You also get this. Okay, so here it's all about options data. You can also go to dashboard, and there are some useful information in dashboard as well. You can also get the chart actually. Suppose let's say you trade Nifty, so you can select Nifty. Okay, right now it is available for SP 500. So in this we can go for order thing, and there are many options actually. Okay, so in this way you can use this Instafires. This is very useful, free, and it is beneficial as well. Okay, so this is first part. The second such interesting tool I find is Nifty Trader. Okay, so this is very simple and very straightforward to use. It comes with both the premium option and free version as well. So right now I'm not using the premium version, I'm using the free version itself. If you just register with them, you can use the free version. See how you can use this is, see right now Nifty is at 22,100 level, right? So you can see what happening at 22,100 level. So if you go here, Nifty Trader, see here, there are couple of things, open interest, change in open interest, PCR, volume PCR, live max pen. First, I will explain open interest. So the open interest is the cumulative open interest. Okay, so you can select the symbol. So right now I left it with Nifty. So you can select current strike price. So current strike price is 6th March. Today I'm recording this video on 2nd March. So the recent expiry is 6th March. So current 6 both are same. And you can select the strikes limit. Okay, it goes up to 20. So if you select 20, see here, this is very clear. What you can see is this is overall cumulative open interest. Okay, this is not open interest change. This is cumulative open interest. So what it is trying to say is Nifty is at this level. Put option OI is high right now. Okay, which means put option OI is 2299 lakhs. Call OI is 3.56 lakh. So which means more put option writing has been done at this level for the current expiry, right? Which means right now, until price breaks below this level, you can maintain sideways to bullish view. But at the same time, price will not go further on the upside also, because so many call option writing has been done here. See here, 85 lakh actually at 22,500 level. See here at 22,600 level, 1 crore call option rating has been done. Put option is 33. So this can act as right now at this part also we can maintain a bullish sideways to bullish view, and there is a strong support also here. See here, 22,000 is a strong support actually, because put option OI has been done very high in this case. Okay, so here also you can see OI in value terms, but this is fine actually. Now you can check the same thing for next expiry as well. So if you select 13th March, you will get, see here, it's almost the same. Call OI is more. No, this is yeah, uh, this is different. It says the different story. 7544 lakh. Suppose if I select here, I will just cross check once. Okay, so I earlier I read the wrong value. You need to see this value actually. Okay, so call wise 13.23 cr, put wise 9.72 cr, which means call y writing has been done. Okay, so in this case, no, you can maintain a bear issue. I'm really sorry for this. So here, if you come here, put call wise 13.23 cr, put y is 9.72 cr. Here also call y is more actually. So in this way you can study, and if you select the next 13th March CR, here also call OI is more 75, put OI is 48. So you can maintain a bear issue. Okay, this is not very good for bulls actually. So now you can also go for the next track, but the change in open interest is quite interesting. Okay, so if you come here, if you select the recent strike price, here you will get the change what happened on the previous trading day. So in this case, call OA has been added around 15 lakh, put OA is added around 22 lakh. So in this case, OI changes little slightly towards the bullishness, but if you look at the overall open interest at this current level, still call OI is very very high rate, 15.43 cr. Okay, so this is how you can analyze the change in OI. You can also go for 20 strikes change in OI. This is change in OI. Okay, so which means the previous trading day, this huge number of call writing has been done at this level 22,500. At the same time, put option they closed it, which means they booked it actually. Okay, so they closed it. This is the closing part, this is the new open part upside. So negative is they have closed it. Okay, so right now, you know, too many call writing has been done on the top side. Put option is also done more predominantly at this level 21,800. Otherwise, a market is still bearish actually. Okay, so in this way you can also check the next strike price 13th March. Still it says 13th March also 22,500 call rating has been done. Okay, so this is how it works. You can also check put call ratio here. Personally, I don't use put call ratio much. Some traders very use put call ratio very much. So max pain, I can talk about max pain. Max pain, see, if you see max pain everywhere, it says 22,500. So change in OI 22,500, PCR 22,500 max pain. So what max pain is? So this is the uh, overall collective options buyers when they face major loss when the price reaches this level. Okay, so that is the max pain definition. And according to some traders, okay, I'm not saying this, according to some traders, so the price will test this max pain level because they say these options sellers or big players push the price towards that maximum pain point to get the premium. That's what they say. So personally, I'm not saying this. That's how some people use the max pain concept as well. So they use max pain as a support or resistance, but they think the price will hit the max pain level. Okay. So now volume PCR is there. You can also use this live max pain. There is a detailed description about the live max pain here. So this is how it works. So apart from this is available for free for anyone. You can use open interest, change in UI, put call ratio. You can use all these things every day after market hours for free. You can get the live of the same thing in live market if you become a this pro member. Okay, and also it shows the back testing part. You can also do the option simulator and intraday backtest trending why everything is there, but this is applicable or available only for the paid members. So if you select the nifty trending everything, if you remember, it was available for free in instafires actually. Okay, so you can also check all these things, but right now it's kind of allowing. So sometimes I've noticed it asks for the payment actually. Okay, so just explore. Nifty trader is one good tool you can explore. If it is available for free, you can make use of it. Okay. This is the second part. And the third important tool is, without a doubt, Abstra Define Edge. Okay, so I was just testing a strategy. Actually, it is not really successful, but you can do that. So in Abstra Define Edge, so what you can do is, this is available for free. If anybody can check the payoff graph for their option strategy. For example, let's say 22,100, the trading is going on here, and I see this is a resistance, and this is uh, Nifty opened with a gap. Now I think Nifty will not go to this level, at least this level. Because there is a gap here also, Nifty will not go to this level. I'm think of selling a call option here. For example, if I go to Opstar Define Edge, Nifty, I will select options. This level is, for example, it comes somewhere 22,443. I'll select 22,500 as a round number. Okay. So I will come here. I will select, here options. Uh, 6th March, 22,500 call option sell. So if I select this, see it gives the probability of profit, maximum profit available, maximum loss, margin required. So in this case, it says the probability of profit is 82.6%. The maximum profit I make is 1.39% ROI in next 4 days actually. Okay. Capital required is close to 1.92 lakh. Maximum loss is undefined. We can exclude this maximum loss scenario by just buying one more leg. For example, if I buy, uh, for example, 23,000, the margin requirement also comes down and it removes the unlimited loss scenario as well. If you see here now, so the maximum loss is capped now. Earlier it was unlimited, now it is 35,000 maximum. That doesn't mean 35,000 will lose it. It's the maximum loss whenever the price, whenever we take the trade at 35.7, and immediately if the price moves to this level, okay, which if the price moves above 4% immediately, then only we lose the 35,000 maximum loss. Otherwise we don't lose this much of money. And now earlier it was close to 1,70,000. Now it came down to 70,000 because I removed the maximum loss scenario. So now the ROI suddenly increased to 3.42%. So this is the payoff chart. You can see the future chart, everything, it's available with Opstra Define Edge. This is for free users, okay, free users. So now uh, for a paid users, I also have a subscribed account, which is a paid account for this. So the most useful part, I mean, most of the things are very highly useful, but I use this very often, option simulator. So what I want users, I mean, if I have to test something, let's say I want to go for an iron condor, I can test this. So how I do is, for example, Nifty is this, and instead of I will select the previous expiry. For example, let's say I will select the 30th Jan expiry, and I will select the start date. So if I select 30th expiry, I will select, for example, 23rd is the start date. Payoff date is the 30th of Jan, the same. Okay, the 30th Jan is the expiry, start date is this, and payoff date is this. So now what I do is, let's say I will go for iron condor or short triangle after 30 minutes, because it's very simple. I will select a 20 delta. For example, at 10 o'clock, I will select the short triangle. I will go to options train. Short triangle is probably, for example, I will select 20 delta. So 20 delta is somewhere here, okay, 19.34. I will select the put option, and I will sell 20 delta in the call option side as well. This is very close to 22. I will select this. Now the payoff graph looks like this. Now I can also go for the back. I mean, I do the testing for 50 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 minute, 1 day interval as well. Now this here also it shows maximum profit is this, undefined is the maximum loss is this. So I'll go day wise, because there are only 3-4 days, because I start, I mean 4 days, like 4-5 days actually. So day wise, first day it made a loss of 35 rupees. Second day it made a profit of 13 rupees. Fourth day it made a loss of 91 rupees. Now with Tuesday, 2 more days are there. One more day, 1,142 profit it became. The last day, 2,400 profit. Okay. See, this is how now I can conclude on this particular week, short triangle ended with a profit actually. Similarly, you can check another strategy. For example, again, I can go to options simulator. I can select, for example, let's say I wanted to test an iron condor. Okay. So I can do that. For example, once again, I go to any past previous thing. I go for the recent one because it's very easy to find. Probably I will go to again 23rd Jan. The payoff date will be before that, 2016 Jan. Here the payoff date will be 23rd. Start date is before that. So 23rd is the payoff date. You see here expiry is 23rd Jan, payoff date is 23rd Jan, start date is 1 week before. Okay. So now again I go for iron condor at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, I will select the option chain. I will sell 20 delta and I will buy a lesser premium as an iron condor. Okay, that's how iron condor works. So if you don't know about iron condor, I will share the link in the description. You can check that link to know more about iron condor. Now, if I go to 20 delta, I will sell 20 delta. This is very close to 20 delta. I will sell 20 delta and I will buy less premium. For example, this is put LTP, I will buy around this 2 rupees. Now, similarly, I will sell 20 delta on the call option side. This is very close to 20 delta. I will buy around, this is call LTP. I will buy around 2 rupees as an hedge. I will go for this 2.5. It's very thing. See again, if I go here, it shows the payoff graph. It shows the strike prices. It shows maximum profit I can make is 6,800. Loss is undefined. If you select a buying leg here and here, that becomes an iron condor. Right now, this is a short triangle. I mean, kind of iron condor only because we added the buy leg actually. So, but this is very far. That's why it's appearing like this. Usually, short triangle graphs looks like this. If I disable this, then this will become a short triangle actually. And right now, it is iron condor only. So, I can test this, for example, by moving 1 day. So one day, first day, it made a profit of 727 rupees. I can also go by like this, okay, 50 minute, 50 minute, but I will go for 1 day. So second day, it made a profit of 1,500. Third day, it made a profit of 1,600. Right now, it is Tuesday. For another 2 days, if it stays sideways, we will get the maximum benefit actually. See, it moved downside, but still we made a profit of 4,000. Next day, 6,000 because it closed in the range. We made close to 6,000. That's how this is works. I'm not suggesting to deploy iron condor or cross triangle as it is. I'm just explaining this is how you can use this tool actually, option simulator. And there are many more tools so that there are options backtesting. You can do the options backtesting. You can give the entry criteria and everything. You can select the backtesting for couple of years. That's also possible. So this is one such beautiful tool, Obster Define Edge. Okay. Now sensible. So this is sensible. This is sensible is free if you have a Zerodha account and a couple of brokers. It also supports couple of brokers like Upstock and everything. So if you have a Zerodha account, you can use Sensible for free. So how you can use Sensible is once again you can do the strategy builder. Let's say for example, this is also very simple: bullish, bearish, neutral, and other strategy. So let's say you wanted to build a for example, bearish strategy. For example, you can select the bearish strategy. You can also select the expiry. Right now, I will leave at 6 o'clock. For example, I will opt for a sell call. See what it says is the maximum profit. If I sell 2200 call option at the money strike price, if the Nifty closes below 22,100 somewhere, I will make a profit of this 14,000, 8% of my capital. The maximum loss is unlimited because if it goes upside, it can go up to any level, right? So that's how maximum loss is undefined. You can also see P&L table. You can also see the options Greeks. So 0.59 delta is anywhere above 0.5 delta is quite tricky because that's where gamma come into the picture. So theta is 12, which means it loses the premium of 12 rupees per day. So gamma is 0.0. You can also check the Greeks like this. Strategy chart, it goes like this. So the interesting thing is here, for example, let's say you can test this. For example, there are 4 more days for the expiry, right? If Nifty moves 0.5% in 1 day, you lose 5,000 rupees. Suppose let's say it moves 0.5% after 1 day. So in that way, this will come down. Okay, you can see here. You can check this will vary. Okay, so if it Nifty gives only 0.5% movement after even after 4 days, means you end up making a 1.4% return 2480 instead of earlier 6,000 rupees something. Now if Nifty moves 1%, again you end up making loss 5,000 rupees. So you can drag this. For example, let's say Nifty moves only downside, you can see you can make a majority of the profit. Now let's say you're not happy with the strike price, you can change the strike price here 200. Now you can see if Nifty moves uh, here, for example, close to 0.4%, by 4 days you make this much of expiry. Let's say if Nifty moves 0.9%, you lose money, right? So this is how you can do this variation, and you can check whether you will be profitable or not if Nifty moves certain percentage by certain day. That strategy, that option, you can use this. So this is the most beneficial option in this sensible actually. So you can also go for neutral strategy. By default it will have a neutral strategy, whatever I explained earlier: short straddle, short strangle, iron condor. Let's say you select iron condor for this expiry, it pops up the premium. You can change the premium. So let's say I wanted to go for more less premium than this, then you can reduce for put option, you can increase for call option. See, you can it comes like this. Now you can say, the majority of the profit stays within this range. You can also increase this range to make it wider. For example, I will 21,800, I will increase this 20 to 400. See, the range increased now. Okay, that the profit also reduced actually. So you can also do this with uh, sensible. And you can also, there are many options actually. Even if you come under trade, you can go for the strategy wizard, that option is there. Similarly, expiry trades, easy options, and they have very beautiful video courses on options trading as well. So they are free. It says how to use sensible, open interest, explain strategy builder, how to use FI data. They have pretty useful videos. If you don't know anything about options, you can watch these videos to more about uh, options actually. Now if you select analyze, you can also select the open interest part. See here, once again you can study the open interest part and you can analyze. You can select multi-strike Y. This is also very, very useful. You can select many multiple strikes of options and you can study how it is impacting. That's also there. And FII DI data, you can get it. See last trading day what they did. You get all the FII DI data here. And at the same time, you can also, the screener part I have not used much. The screener part, it's quite simple. Uh, okay, you can select liquid thing, long build up. You can select what are the long build up stocks, which means price went up, open interest also went up. So right now it is not there because on the previous day market fell like anything. So right now we don't have uh, thing. You can also select shortlist by short cover. Stocks of short cover is only Coal India. You can also select bearish, long unwind, short build up. So there are many things like that. You can also select the IV range, main PCR, open interest. The screener, I think this is pretty useful going forward. I'm going to use this. Next, you can use technical analysis, technical signals. This is quite interesting. You can use this. And market analysis. Okay, this analysis is there. And you can also select watch list and you can watch those charts for free. So right now we have Nifty. You can change. I'm not sure whether we use this. Okay, we can use this. So you can use the chart here. Uh, okay, this is the chart and you can check the position. You can check the orders. So you can also trade directly from here if you log in with the Zerodha. So these are the four important tools. I have covered InstaFires, I have covered Nifty Trader, I have covered Sensible, I have covered Opstra as well. These are the four I wanted to cover. So these are the four beneficial, highly useful tools. Some of them are free, especially Fires and Insta. Especially Sensible and Instafires are free. You can explore these two, and these are highly beneficial tools to do the options trading. I hope this video is added value to your time, friends. If yes, you can like the content, you can share my video with your friends, and we will see you in another video with another highly beneficial content. Until then, thank you. See you. Bye bye.